So when I wake up, I look like someone's granny. I look like someone's granny. Literally, I look like someone's granny. Don't look at me. You know, on my Snapchat, y'all should be following me on Snapchat because that's where you really see behind the scenes. I got this bath bomb by Dove. Oh my God, I need a damn manicure. Yo, let me tell y'all a story time. The other day, I tried to give myself a pedicure and cut my toenails. And y'all, I almost took my whole toe off. I cut my nails so damn deep. So I'm about to start the laundry. I do laundry on Fridays, Saturdays, or Sundays because that's when the electricity is free. Period. But so let's get into breakfast. I'm going to make a smoothie. Today I have Greek yogurt, vanilla flavor, frozen peaches, frozen banana, orange juice, and water in my protein shake. This is around 11 o'clock. I call it breakfast, but it's basically lunch because it's heavy and I get all my nutrients at this point. I drink this so I can take my medication afterwards. So it's pretty good and it's healthy, and yep. So basically this is a package that came like 3 days ago, and I basically left it there. We kicked it inside the house and left it there for 3 days because I was not about to touch it as soon as the man dropped it off. I basically ordered a growing kit. I wanted to start my own herb gardening at home, and so therefore that's what I have. And I just can't wait to get started. I do need another part though, so I'm gonna have to order that and wait. But once I do, I'll be recording it and I'm going to show you guys what they look like. All my years of cooking, I don't know what this is. Comment below if you know what yarrow is, or yarrow. Now sage, we know that. I have peppermint, of course, rosemary. I love chamomile, lavender, fennel. I didn't even realize it until alright, so these are the laundry. I'm gonna fold them later, but I'm about to do my face care routine, my teeth, and take a bath. So I'm about to do my face routine. The lighting in here is so bomb. It makes me look lighter than what I really am. But what is this? Oh, my face is dirty. I've been going all day, so now I'm about to get myself together before I get in the tub. I'm actually gonna sit in the tub while I use my mask. So this is what I've been washing my face with for the last 10 months or so. I have very dry skin. I don't know if it comes with me being on medication or if it comes with, I don't know what happened, but it's pretty bad, especially down here. But we're not even gonna get into that story. Let's keep it positive and cute. Although with this phone, I don't know where to look at. I don't know if when I look at myself, I'm looking at y'all. I don't know if when I look here, I'm looking at you. Like, I don't know what the hell. So you see me look like I'm looking off, veering off somewhere else. Child, that's the tea. This is the face mask that I'll be using. I'm gonna put this on before I go into the bath. Once I'm done with my bath, I'll wash it off. It's a avocado and oatmeal purifying clay mask. I use this twice a week. And you know what's ironic? I'm allergic to avocados, so I don't even know how this doesn't bother me. Weird. This is a spin brush that I use to wash my face. So I just do something like this. Get it all over my face. Cut this on. And just go over my face like this. This this thing came from Amazon. I can't wait to get in that tub, y'all. I cannot wait to use that bubble bath thing. I'm about to show y'all what I've been using. But when I went to Walmart to get, to stock up on body wash and things like that, I saw the bath bombs and I said, why not? But like I said, you guys, I struggle with dry skin, especially in the summer and springtime. You know, I could put everything on that, but I didn't have terribly dry skin like that before everything started. Who knows what's causing it? It might be old age. You know, I'm pushing 50. I love it because I'm in the most peaceful time of my life. Even though I have, you know, health situations going on and family issues and yada, 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 it's the most time in my life. No fighting, no drama. So, that's what I love about it. But y'all, I'm a granny. I'm gonna be 50. Well, 50 is like right there. Because once you turn 30, you turn 50. So, and I'm back. So I rinsed my face off. Put like, I just put it on. Ooh, child, it's cold. Put it on. I love it, but like I said, it's ironic because I'm super allergic to avocados. Am I covered? Oh, that's good enough. But I concentrate on like the corners of my mouth. See, look at me, I almost got it in my mouth. Oh, there we go. All right, so I have 2 candles here. They're cheap as hell. I don't even remember where I got them from. I think Walmart. I light them before I run my bath so that the smell, because they actually have a scent. Look at it, it's still going. You know, we're in quarantine, so I can't really get the products I usually use. I'm using this. Ignore my nails, y'all. I know I need a manicure, but I can't do nothing about that. So put this on. Do what we gotta do. But this is what I use right now. It's a good substitute to what I usually use, but like I said, I'm out of a lot of things, and our next shop date is not until 2 weeks from now, so I'm making this work. So every morning and every night I drink hot lemon tea with honey in whatever tea bag I want. Maybe sometimes it's black tea, sometimes peppermint. My mom actually told me to do this, so that's what I've been doing since everything has been going on. In general, I drink tea, but not twice or 3 times a day. It's only like maybe once a day. But now I amped it up and do it at least in the morning and night. And yeah, so just to keep my airways nice and fresh and clear, and, you know, again, to get any kind of mucus or anything out of my chest or throat. And this is my dinner. What was life before tostadas? It's so good. I get so happy every time I bite down with my front teeth because I'm not used to doing that. Progress. I'm not good at vlogging. Anyway, I'll possibly think about doing another one of these videos. I don't know, because like I said, I'm not good with vlogging. But thank you guys for coming along with me on my day. I'm gonna make sure I insert a small clip as to exactly what's in here. But this video recipe should be out. I'll catch you guys on my next cooking video.